so pissed, girl.
Yeah, look at that bone.
Tastes like jerky, dude. Hey. It's like jerky, and like grass, kind of. Like a hay type deal. Do you know where you're going, Midas? Do you know where you're going, Midas? Yeah, Midas has been licking his paw since I got here. I guess since... How long has he been licking his paw for? Been licking his paw for a week. And Chagan, it's like raw. And so we're going to the vet to see what's up. Chagan thinks it's something with his allergies. Let me in! Wait, so what's wrong with Midas?
Okay, so they don't fucking know.
They don't know?
They're assuming it's just allergies.
They're trying something. They think it's allergies, so they're trying this cream, and they gave him a shot. Like a
You got a little shot. You got a shot in your back.
Oh my gosh.
And then
He did not like
we're gonna
it.
come back in a week,
See
and
what's
they're
up?
gonna see if the cream is working
Yeah.
/ the shot.
Oh shit, yeah, his paw is red as shit.
Well, because it's raw.
Yeah.
Yeah, like between the fingers.
Yeah.
Just got to my friend Marco's house after having lunch with the Gardenia gang. Yeah, I miss them. I miss them a lot. So it was good to hang out with them last night and have lunch with them this morning. Or I guess not this morning, but have lunch with them in general. Are you gonna close it? Today's Marco's birthday, and he's taking a shower. So we're gonna sing him happy birthday when he comes down. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marco. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. You guys are sweet. Thank you. Did you even make a wish?
Sheesh. It was a quick wish.
Yes. I guess I usually don't
Big ass dog.
announce, but I do. Break after that sign. Appreciate it, dude.
Appreciate the dog. Nice seeing you.
Of course.
See you, buddy.
Back to C-Team.
Yeah, I gotta look back to Austin, bro. Yeah, see you, Levy. Got a 3-hour drive to Austin. But yeah, I love seeing all the Houston homies now that I live in Austin. It's so fun to see everyone. Sometimes I regret, maybe not regret's the right word, but wish I would have hung out more with them when I lived in Houston. But yeah, good weekend overall. I will catch you later. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll it up.